Hi, I'm Eric Oliveros. I'm the Business Development Manager with QNAP, and here we are at Cine Gear Atlanta, and what we're showcasing is our new solutions for video editing. Here at the show, what we have, for the first time ever, we're showcasing our Thunderbolt 4 NAS. This is our TVS-h874 Thunderbolt NAS. So we got two Thunderbolt ports, we got two Ethernet ports. Ideal for collaboration if you got folks editing in two locations. They want to edit or work on a job locally, transfer everything towards with Thunderbolt. They can do that. Location B, they can connect to the network, and you got two people from two locations working on a project at the same time. Each drive bay supports up to 22 terabytes per bay, so you got a ton of storage, supports all different types of RAID configurations, and this unit is now available in North America as of last week. We're also showcasing our 25 gig all flash solutions as well. This is our 1290FX. This has 12 drive bays, U.2 drive bays. Also has two 25 gig ports in the back, two 2.5 gig ports in the back. So you got an enterprise box, fast for high-speed editing, high-speed data transfer. This is an ideal box here for any type of studio that requires fast. We also have our 25 gig switch here as well. You got 16 ports, 25 gigs, and you're looking at about $1,200. So you're not gonna find anything on the market, anything like this. We have a lot of industry first products here at Cine Gear Atlanta. This is Eric Oliveros with QNAP, and appreciate you dropping by the booth. Thank you.
Easy peasy, right?
Easy peasy. Look at that. I was more like blown away by this whole getup. This is so cool.
Looking the cameras a little?
Kinda, I was trying to. This is really, really cool.